Hey guys, welcome to Coding-5. In today's video, we're going to be going over lesson 1.1, the Java intro.
We will be learning about classes, the main method, printing, comments, and syntax errors. Let's get to it. By the end of this video, you should be able to write and understand this block of code. Okay, let's get started. Classes. We will dive deeper into classes in Unit 2, but for now let's understand the big idea. To create a class, we type public class, name of class, and then these curly brackets. And we can type name of class as dogs or cats or anything you would like to name your class. Inside of a class, we can write methods. The main method is the main method. When a class is called, it will always begin its execution here. The syntax to create a main method is public static void main string args and then these curly brackets. And I would highly recommend memorizing this syntax because it is always the same. Let's start printing. In our main method, we can type print statements. So when we run our program, the text printed in the console. System.out.println hello world will print out hello world and then go to a new line. And then system.out.print I am staying will print out I am staying and then stay on this line. And note this difference of ln and how there's no ln right here. Okay, now let's make our code more readable to others. Comments and spaces are ignored by the compiler, so single-line comments begin with a // while multi-line comments begin with a /* and then end with an */. Finally, syntax errors. So this is really common, especially when you start coding, and you will find errors in your code. So note that these are always in pairs, and so are parentheses and quotations. And remember, just like a period in a sentence, there are semicolons.
Alright guys, let's review and construct a class and method. Let's get started with making a class. Alright, notice these curly brackets. Everything in your class must fall in between these brackets. So let's add our main method. Alright, notice that this also has curly brackets. Everything in your method must fall in between these brackets. Let's add a few print statements. Alright, notice how this first print statement doesn't include ln. This means that anything printed after this will be printed on the same line. However, the second print statement does include ln, so anything printed after this will be printed on the line below. Now finally, we can add some comments. So if you're adding comments to make your code more readable, it's a good thumb rule to make sure your comments could explain your code to someone who doesn't understand programming. So for this, I could add the simple comment of, this summarizes what this class and method do. So now let's hit run. So now you can see in your console down here that it prints Shrishti is so cool ... on the same line and psych on the line below it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more review videos and drop any questions you have down in the comments.
More resources in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Coding-5 out.